Why do we fly? To get a new perspective on the world? To see things we simply couldn't see before? To push the limits and grow our skills and knowledge? To create things we've never been able to before? To see what the latest technology is capable of? Or maybe to explore, to experience and capture those moments we treasure. Or perhaps we simply just want some smooth, clean footage. Whatever the reason you fly, the Portace community is here to help. Whether you want to know what drone to use, what laws you need to know, or how to get the most from your footage, we can all help each other. Come join us at www.portace.co.uk or hit that subscribe button.